What is up? How are you guys doing out there today? I hope you are having an amazing day as always, you guys. Sorry I haven't been posting too many videos lately. As you all know, we're having a baby, so we've been getting a lot of things ready for a baby. So I haven't been posting too many videos, but rest assured I'm going to get back to getting on my videos because we almost got the house ready, you guys. It's almost ready for a baby. And I have been keeping up with a lot of your guys' videos. I'm sorry I haven't been keeping up as much as I was, but like I said, I'm getting prepped for, having a baby and I'm trying to get things ready for that. But as most of you know, when I do watch, I binge watch and I try to get caught up to at least as much as I can in one day or one, break that I have from the stuff going on. I try to, watch 2 to 3, 4, 5 videos at a time, So I am trying to get caught up with all of you guys as well, because I always want to know what's going on in your guys' lives as well. And thank you for always being loyal and coming to my channel and watching my content, you guys. I really, really appreciate it. All right, I'm going to do something a little bit different on this video. I've been noticing a lot of people are having trouble with a lot of the foam grip that's going on with fingerboards that you put on fingerboards. So on this video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to grip a fingerboard with the foam grip tape and give it a professional look on that grip job, you guys. All right, so here it is. Check it out. Real quick, I wanted to also give a shout out to my man, Whiskey OG. Used to be Whiskey Skater, had a couple other different channels. All right, you guys. A lot of you actually know him. So if you haven't had a chance to get over and check out his new channel, it's High Style. I'm going to leave a description in the link below. Go check him out. All right, you guys. It's Whiskey OG. He's planning on getting back on that mini ramp. Season's coming. So go check him out. High Style. We're going to get started. But I decided to go ahead, and if I'm going to grip a board, I might as well go ahead and just put a board together completely. So we're going to go ahead and do both. A how to grip and a how to assemble video. Why not? All right. So first off, in order to grip a board, you got to have what? You got to have a board, man. So here we go. We got a board right there. All right. So we got a board. Next, I got some white 29mm tuned trucks. Gotta have trucks, gotta have 2 of them. I got some black bearing wheels. And then I got some hardware. And then I got my bolts. And then I have, of course, the foam grip in order to grip. So we gotta have the foam grip. And this is going to be the key factor to how you are going to get the professional look on this grip job, you guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it. Let's start getting this board put together. Alright, let's get this thing started. We're going to need the board and we're going to need the grip. Now me, I want to do something a little bit different, so I'm not just going to put the grip on there. So I'm actually going to go ahead and cut this at kind of a slight angle, and I'm going to grip it in 2 pieces, which will actually kind of make it easier too. So we're going to go ahead and take off the first piece of grip. And go ahead and stick it on your fingerboard. Get it lined up where you need it, where you want it. You will have some overlap, and that's the part where people typically end up having a problem with gripping these boards, and then they give up on the foam grip altogether because it drives them nuts. So you're going to take out your file. You can get one of these from your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, your sister's friend, or you could just go to the store and buy one yourself. But most women carry these in their purses, so if you got a girlfriend, ask her for one of them. They're called an emery board. It's a file for your nails, nail file. All right, you guys, so you're gonna take and you're gonna go around, just like, you know how when you take your trucks or something hard around on your real grip and you get that line. Well, this is kind of that same principle, but you're just going to go down at like a 45, and it's just going to cut the grip off for you. So check it out. And boom. Just like that, piece one is done. And it looks good. It looks professional. Alright, we'll go ahead and rip off piece number 2. Get that lined up where we need it. That's good enough. And then do the same thing. Go down at a 45. And boom, piece number 2 done. And just like that, you guys, now you have a professional looking grip job. Alright, easy as that. Quick, easy, and no hassle. I know people use scissors and it drives them crazy and their grip job's horrible. But now you all know how to do this, and it's not going to be a bad grip job no more. Now we'll move on to the assembly of the board, and I have found the easiest way to poke the holes through the grip is to actually use a mechanical pencil. So we're going to go ahead and get some lead out here, and then you're just going to flip your fingerboard over to the design side, and you're just going to go through the grip through your holes. All 8 holes there, and boom, now you have all 8 holes through, and you can move on to assembly. And there we go. We got the trucks on the board. Time for the wheels. And there you have it, you guys. One pretty rad fingerboard. There's only one thing left to do, and that's time to go and shred this thing. Alright, you guys, check it out. Here we go. Let's see what it does. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you had a good time. I hope this video helped you out and you are able to grip fingerboards without any hassle from that foam grip from here on out, you guys. Alright, if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you ain't a part of the Shredder family, why don't you go ahead and please join the Shredder family, you guys. You know you want to push that button. Go ahead and push that button. Alright, you guys. I really appreciate it, but my time is done here, and I had a great time. But as always, keep shredding, bros.